Hey Cruisers and Drylanders! While visiting Aruba on Princess Cruises, I hopped on a wild Coco Loco bus island tour, climbing up the rocky lookout at the Casibari Rock Formations for sweeping island views, stopping by the iconic California Lighthouse, and finishing the day swimming in the warm waters of beautiful Eagle Beach. Let's go explore! For over 3 decades, I've been painting ocean scenes for my collectors worldwide, and now I spend a lot of time chasing them from a deck of a cruise ship Arriving in beautiful Aruba while cruising the famous ABC Islands was unforgettable. The turquoise water looked absolutely stunning right from the deck. Just 15 miles off the coast of Venezuela, Aruba was first inhabited by indigenous people before being discovered by the Spanish in 1499 and later becoming part of the Dutch Caribbean islands under the Netherlands. Stepping off the beautiful Majestic Princess in Aruba, I didn't really have any plans for the day, but then I spotted a sign for an island tour. At first I wondered, should I really hop onto this crazy Coco Loco bus or just pass? Well, it sounded way too enticing, so I went for it. The first thing I saw was this cute orange open-air tram, actually Aruba's free downtown streetcar. It runs in a loop from right outside the cruise ship terminal through the heart of Oranjestad, stopping near shops, historic sites and museums. You can hop on and off if you want, making it a fun way to explore downtown without walking everywhere. By the way, the Coco Loco bus is open air, and wow, the wind is really intense, so hold on tight. Our first stop were the amazing Casibari Rock Formations, a cluster of giant boulders that rise up out of Aruba's desert-like landscape. No one's exactly sure how they formed, but over millions of years, wind and erosion shaped these huge rocks into what you see today. You can climb up the carved stone steps for a sweeping view of the island and ocean. Totally worth it. As you walk into the area, you are greeted by a lovely little garden filled with desert plants and cacti. I really enjoyed climbing up these uneven steps, but you do have to be a little careful. It's a bit of a climb. In some spots you even need to use your hands against the rocks to steady yourself as you make your way up the Casibari Rock Formations.
Quick interruption, I have to toot my own horn. I'm so sorry. We'll be right back with the video. I'm sorry, my second language is English. I've been making this product since 5 years and I've been giving it away to friends. And now it's finally on Amazon, so I'm really excited about this. It's a sugar scrub with organic coconut oil, lavender oil, and organic sugar crystals. This stuff makes your skin glowing and soft and smooth. Try it out and let me know how you like it. Okay, back to the video. Thanks.
Once you reach the platform at the top of the Casibari Rock Formations, it's a bit slanted, so you definitely want to watch your step. But the views are incredible. You can look out across the island and see the beautiful desert garden below. Coming down, there's actually a separate set of stairs, so you don't have to squeeze past people climbing up. They are just as slanted and uneven though, so you still have to watch your step. As you make your way down, you're walking right into this amazing desert garden, where you'll start to notice Aruba's famous wind-shaped Divi-divi trees. I'll share a little more about these unique trees later in the video. As we walked out of the park, I noticed this charming "Welcome Me Dushi Casibari" sign. Me Dushi is a Papiamento phrase used across the ABC Islands that means something like "my lovely" or "my sweet." Such a warm, endearing welcome. Back on the Coco Loco bus, we're on our way to the California Lighthouse when we passed a local cemetery where all of the graves are built above ground, common in the Southern Caribbean. And then we made our stop at the iconic California Lighthouse. What a view! And you guys know I'm an artist, so I have brand new cover-ups with my art on them. And so check them out. I'm pretty tall, I'm 5'9", and it's nice and long for me, but check out the exact size before you buy on my website, JSFA Jenny Simon. And you can wear them over your bikini or wear them with jeans in the winter. Looks fantastic. All right. The historic California Lighthouse has been guiding ships safely along Aruba's northern coast for over a century. Built in 1914 and named after the SS California, a ship that ran aground nearby, it's a striking white lighthouse standing tall against the turquoise waters. Even from a distance, you can appreciate its history and the stunning views it offers of the island and ocean. Right by the lighthouse is the Faro Blanco restaurant with absolutely stunning views. If I had more time, I definitely would have stayed here for lunch. It looks like the perfect spot to relax and enjoy the scenery. On the way to Eagle Beach, you can't help but notice these iconic Dushi trees everywhere. Also called Divi-divi trees, they are shaped by the constant trade wind and almost always lean in the same direction. These trees are especially common in the Southern Caribbean and have become a symbol of Aruba, truly beautiful and unique. Just before reaching Eagle Beach, you pass a vibrant stretch of hotels and resorts. It's full of cafes, restaurants, and colorful spots that really show the lively side of Aruba's coast. And then we arrived at the stunning Eagle Beach. From the aerial view, you can see the soft white sand stretching along the coast and the turquoise water sparkling in the sunlight. I couldn't resist getting in, though the wind made it a bit choppy and the water slightly murky. But it was still amazing to swim and enjoy the ocean. Don't forget your waterproof phone sleeve. It came in super handy while I was in the water. I've left a link below if you want to grab one for your trip. By the way, I made more videos of the ABC Islands, including CURACAO with the floating bridge, the HATO caves and MAMBO beach. Check them out. You'll find the links below. I had a hard time leaving the water. It was just so beautiful and relaxing. But eventually I made my way back to the ship, ready to enjoy some delicious cruise food and unwind after an amazing day in Aruba. Thanks for watching. I am Jenny Simon, artist and ocean lover. If you enjoyed this video, then please give it a like and hit subscribe so you won't miss what's coming next. Thank you.